Sleep in comfort. Help your child sleep better by replacing the thin, hard mattress that comes with the pack and play. Constructed from top-quality, high-density foam, this mattress provides the perfect balance between firm support and soft comfort so your little one can sleep better, and you can too. Complementary cover. Never worry about spills and accidents during the night. This mattress comes with a soft and cozy cover that's waterproof and easily removable to wash when needed. Lab tested. Our toppers foam meets Certipur-US standards for content, emissions and durability, and are analyzed by independent, accredited testing laboratories. Perfect fit. This mattress measures 38 inches long by 26 inches wide and 2.5 thick to fit perfectly in a standard playard. We recommend measuring your pack and play to ensure this mattress will fit inside. More details. Soft mattress is not intended for babies. Consult with physician for safety recommendations. Please allow 24 to 48 hours for foam to expand after opening. Top reviews from the United States. Great mattress for a nice price. The pack-in-play that we currently have is a Monbebe playard. I had some trouble finding the exact interior dimensions, but tried my best and was hoping this mattress would fit since it claims to be for all standard size playards. With an older infant, the hard mattress, that originally came with the pack-in-play, which just feels like glorified cardboard wrapped in fabric, was just way too uncomfortable. Baby was starting to wake from naps fussy. The first things I noticed about this mattress were: there was no offensive smell right out of the package. Many times, foam mattresses and toppers reek of a strong chemical smell that needs to air out, not this one. Foam has good density and looks like if anything soaked through the cover, gently spot cleaning would not damage the mattress pad. One side felt a tad more firm than the other, which is ideal for younger babies as well as older babies. The removable, waterproof mattress cover that comes with this is amazing. The cover itself on the top side is so cottony soft with slightly textured, grippy underside to help keep mattress pad from migrating with movement. Zipper removal makes for easy laundering if any mishaps would occur.